like the tide. Oh, supervisor, stand with your tie so neat. Why you gotta steal my sandwich, man? That ain't discreet. You're the boss, you're the chief, but you're causing grief. 'Cause every day at lunch, you're the refrigerator thief. Mike's beef stew, even Karen's cupcakes gone without a clue. We checked the cans, and wouldn't you know, there you were smiling with a tuna hoagie to go. Oh, supervisor, stand with your fancy watch, but you swipe our snacks like it's a food court botch. HR might not care, but we all believe you're the white-collar culprit with the lunchtime thief. You hold meetings about ethics, you preach about trust, but you sneak our snacks like it's some corporate must. Next time you chew, better check that bite. We spike the mayo just to set things right. Yeah, supervisor, stand, we're on to your game. Lunchroom justice gonna bring you shame. From chicken to chili, we'll protect our feast. You better bring your own or get called the fridge beast. Now the fridge is locked with a secret code, and your sad little snack is out on the road. We forgive, but don't forget, you crossed the line, so back away from my lasagna. That sucker's mine.